Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Tonie Creative is probably one of the most innovative and engaging ways to bring stories and music to life for children, offering a unique blend of physical play and digital content that sparks imagination and fosters a love for learning through interactive audio experiences. Number 5. Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit for Fire Tablet. Introducing the Osmo Little Genius Starter Kit, a magical learning experience for your child. It combines physical play pieces with your Fire tablet to bring games to life. This kit features 6 educational games designed to teach essential skills. Your child will explore counting, shapes, and phonics in a fun and engaging way. Watch as their actions with the handheld pieces are recognized and brought to life on the screen. No Wi-Fi is needed for gameplay, making learning accessible anywhere. It helps develop pre-reading skills, letter formation, and vocabulary. They can also unleash their creativity by designing outfits and building anything they imagine. Perfect for ages 3 to 5, this kit provides real-time feedback in a stress-free environment. It encourages experimentation and fosters a love for learning. The box contains the Osmo base and reflector for your Fire tablet, along with various game pieces for costumes, letters, numbers, and shapes. It also includes 4 engaging apps. What we like. This kit offers a magical blend of physical and digital play, bringing game pieces to life on your Fire tablet. If you're looking for an engaging way to introduce your child to foundational skills like reading and math through interactive games, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for parents who want their children to learn through hands-on activities in a screen-time environment. What people say. The hands-on pieces combined with the iPad make learning feel like play, and it keeps my child engaged far longer than typical screen time. The games are intuitive and age-appropriate, focusing on early problem-solving, phonics, and creativity without being overwhelming. The pieces are sturdy, colorful, and easy for small hands to use, and the iPad base works perfectly. Number 4. Tonies Elmo Audio Toy Figurine. Get ready for playtime with your favorite furry friend from Sesame Street. Elmo is so excited to join you for some fun. Come along as Elmo discovers the wonderful world of music with Abby Cat Abby and Cookie Monster. You can dance, play, and sing your heart out. This toy teaches children about musical instruments, different music styles, the importance of friendship, and mindfulness. It's learning made fun. It includes the Elmo character with 16 songs, offering about 30 minutes of entertainment. It's perfect for children aged 3 and up. Enjoy beloved songs like Sunny Days, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, and If You're Happy and You Know It. Get ready to sing and dance. To bring Elmo's musical adventure to life, you'll need a Toniebox audio player. It's sold separately but essential for the magic. What we like. Bring the joy of music and beloved Sesame Street characters into your child's playtime with this audio figurine. If your little one loves Elmo and enjoys singing along to songs, this is a delightful option for them. It's ideal for toddlers and preschoolers who are just beginning to explore the world of music and friendship. What people say. It's easy to use, durable, and perfect for little hands. Great for quiet playtime, bedtime routines, or keeping kids entertained without screens. He tells stories and sings songs which keeps your child engaged, active and entertained. The audio is clear, and Elmo's voice is just like in the show, so much fun. The character comes to life with fun songs, stories, and interactive moments that keep my toddler entertained for hours. Number 3. Tonie's Very Creative Toy Figurine. Unleash your imagination with this magical figurine. It offers 90 minutes of space, ready for you to fill with your unique stories and beloved songs. Easily record your own adventures or transfer existing audio files. You can even download free content from Tonies to make it truly yours. Invite family and friends from anywhere in the world to add their voices. Let them contribute content to your special figurine, creating shared memories. Manage and customize your figurine just the way you like it. Use the live option so your most recent messages are always the first ones heard. Please note that a Toniebox audio player is required to bring your creations to life. The Toniebox is sold separately. What we like. Unleash your creativity and personalize your child's listening experience with this special figurine. If you have unique stories to tell, songs to sing, or want to involve family members in creating audio content, this is the perfect tool. It's designed for parents and families who want to create a truly bespoke audio library for their children. What people say. It's so easy to use by just following the instructions in the app. I was able to record and load in all my toddler's favorite songs and it sounds amazing. The quality of this Tonie is good, it's just as durable as the regular character Tonies, and my toddler has so much fun listening. I love that I can put their favorite songs on it. Number 2. Tonie's Pirate Creative Toy Figurine. Unleash your imagination with this special figurine. It offers a generous 90 minutes of space, ready for you to fill with your unique stories and songs. Easily record your own adventures or upload existing audio files using the convenient Tonies app. You can even download free content directly from Tonies. Connect with family and friends, no matter where they are. Invite them to contribute their own content to your creative Tonie, making it a shared experience. You have full control to manage and customize your figurine. Use the live option to ensure your latest messages are always the first ones heard. This creative figurine brings your audio content to life. Please note that a Toniebox audio player is required to enjoy the magic, and it is sold separately. What we like. Embark on your own audio adventures with this customizable figurine, perfect for aspiring pirates and storytellers. If you love crafting unique narratives or want to capture special family moments in audio, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for children who enjoy imaginative play and for parents who want to create lasting audio memories. What people say. The creative Tonies work really well and you can put your own stories on them. It's very easy to do in the Tonies Box app. Super cute Tonie that you can add all of your own stuff to. We recorded ourselves reading a book and sent it as a gift to a family member. You can record a lot on one to use, so it's a good value for the money. Like the other Tonies, it's pretty durable and easy for little hands to play with. This creative Tonie is cute and functional. It stores up to 90 minutes of content and the Tonie app has lots of free content available to add to the creative Tonies if you don't want to create content yourself. It's also easy to add delete content. Number 1. Tonie Singer Creative Toy Figurine. Introducing the Tonie Singer Creative Toy Figurine, your blank canvas for imagination. It offers 90 minutes of space, ready to be filled with your unique stories and songs. Easily record your own adventures or upload existing audio files using the Tonies app. You can also download free content directly from Tonies. Invite family and friends from anywhere in the world to contribute their own content. It's a wonderful way to share memories and create together. Manage and customize your figurine just the way you like it. Use the live option to ensure your latest messages are always heard first. Please note that a Toniebox audio player is required to enjoy your creations. The Toniebox is sold separately. What we like. Let your child's imagination take center stage with this versatile figurine, ready to be filled with custom songs and tales. If you're looking for a way to share your child's favorite songs, nursery rhymes, or even their own budding musical creations, this is the one. It's perfect for families who want to encourage musical exploration and create a personalized soundtrack for their little ones. What people say. The Toniebox is a screen-free audio player for children. It is designed to be simple enough for children to operate independently. The Toniebox comes with a selection of Tonies figures, each containing different stories or songs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.